Hey there, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. In this video, we're going to take a new construction walkthrough tour of the Langford Floorplan by Mungo Homes. The Langford is a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. There's a bedroom on the main level, just under 2,300 square feet. There's absolutely no carpet in this house, so it's all white plank flooring. The large master bedroom has a walk-in closet, there's a sitting area, as well as an ensuite bathroom that has double sinks, separate shower, and a garden tub. It's on a half-acre lot with a covered patio. Let's go check it out. Come on in. Upstairs, there are 4 additional bedrooms, a large owner's suite with a sitting area, large walk-in closet, an ensuite bathroom that has double sinks, separate shower, and a garden tub. Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed our tour. At the time we recorded this video, this particular Langford floor plan is available for sale. If you are interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in our area here, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.